Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this tractor. I might pronounce the name wrong. Valtra? Might be Valtra or Valtra. Sorry about butchering the name. But we have got this tractor from Maisto. It's part of their mini work machines. And I think I did 2 of these before. So I will just put up the link for those. And these do look nice as I reviewed the other ones. So let's open it up and see what are the details on this one. So here's the tractor out of its box, and first thing you will notice, it has got big tractor wheels, which is a good point to start because they look very realistic, which is always a good thing. Since we are on this side, you can see it has got steps to climb in the cabin, which is completely enclosed. Single seat, some controls and steering in there. This looks like exhaust. It is on either side, so I'm not sure if both of them are exhaust or something else. It's finished in white and black. Looks alright. Coming to the front, you can see it has an attachment, and it's for baskets or lifting other stuff. Hay maybe. Apart from that, up front you can see detailed headlamp. Again, attachments if you want to add weight or other stuff. So this side you still have like steps, but you don't have one that comes out at the bottom like this one. Same exhaust here. Also you can, if I lower it down, you can see the lamps on the top. Now coming to back, again tail lamp, more attachments here to do tractor things. And I don't know how clear you can see the interior. It's called steering and some other controls and a single seat in there. Definitely controls for this one, right? And this is how it looks from the top and the bottom. So I'm not very familiar with the tractor brand, but after that it looks like a good scale model. Not sure what scale it is, but it's alright. Looks good. I think we'll made a good addition to the collection of the other Maisto tractors I have. Should you get one? Well, if you like farm equipments, you might want to get this one. It's got good details, especially for the price it's sold here. It's got some good details. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.